Latin Cathedral, or Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary, is a Catholic cathedral in Lviv, and it's one of the four churches in Ukraine that have the honorary status of a small basilica, and it's the only monument in Lviv that has significantly preserved the features of the original Gothic appearances. The construction of this temple was begun in 1360 and finished in 1479. So this is one of the oldest cathedral in Lviv city. So if you are a foreign tourist, you can easily come inside, but please don't disturb prayers. And the service usually is held here in Ukraine and Polish language.